Meta's Agentic AI era is here, where it's leading the charge and taking decisions all on its own. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to the publication, an employee used an in-house Agentic AI to analyze a query from a second employee on an internal forum. The AI agent posted a response to the second employee with advice, even though the first person didn't direct it to do so. The second employee took the agent's recommended action, sparking a domino effect that led to some engineers having access to Meta systems that they shouldn't have permission to see. A representative from the company confirmed the incident to the information and said that no user data was mishandled. Meta's internal report indicated that there were unspecified additional issues that led to the breach. A source said that there was no evidence that anyone took advantage of the sudden access or that the data was made public during the 2 hours when the security breach was active. However, that may be the result of dumb luck more than anything else. Many tech leaders and companies are always blabbering the benefits of AI. However, this right here is just another latest incident where human employees lost control over an AI agent. Amazon Web Services experienced a 13-hour outage earlier this year that also apparently coincidentally involved its hero Agentic AI coding tool. Maltbook, the social network for AI agents recently acquired by Meta, also had a security flaw that exposed user information thanks to an oversight in the vibe-coded platform. This sparked serious concern over how much AI should be involved in tasks and protecting users' data. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.